most widely domesticated fowl raised worldwide for its meat and eggs. The chicken, Gallus domesticus, is a domesticated jungle fowl species, with attributes of wild species such as the grey and the Ceylon jungle fowl that are originally from southeastern Asia. Rooster or cock is a term for an adult male bird, and a younger male may be called a cock. There are more chickens than people on Earth. With a global population of around 25 billion, chickens are also the largest bird species.
Hours later. 8 hours later. Approximately 10 hours later. 2 weeks later. 1 eternity later. The next day. Two seconds later.
This just in. A chicken has reportedly been seen what appears to be falling from the sky. We have an eyewitness here to share their feelings on the matter. How do you feel about this whole situation with the chicken?
It was terrifying.
The next day. Two seconds later.
Ever since Blue died, I haven't been the same. Haven't talked with the others since then. Just the thought of a multiversal being such as myself being able to die so easily. It changes my whole entire outlook on life. Which is why I have settled down. Got away from all the action. It is calm and peaceful now. Are you kidding me? I cannot catch a break. I sense yet another disturbance. Give me a break. What the?
To kick things off, we're gonna talk about Alfred Chicken. What the f... Now this is a video game that released on everything back in the day, and yet no one remembers it. I mean, come on guys, it came out on Amiga CD32. Please acknowledge it. We will get to more Alfred in a second, but I want to go a little bit farther back. How about 1982? Chicken. Just chicken. No chicken blaster, no chicken shoot, no chicken riot, none of that. It's just chicken. On Atari. It don't get any simpler than this. You catch eggs. Yeah, that's it. Now this is Alfred Chicken on the SNES. It's the same game but prettier. That's Alfred for you. But how about the PlayStation 1 game? This game has to have probably one of the best PlayStation soundtracks I have ever heard. Which is saying a lot because a lot of my discs are actually scratched. And yet again, it's just the same game but prettier. Alfred Chicken, it's an okay game. Nothing wrong with it. It's a platformer. And that's pretty much all it is. It's not really anything special. It's a chicken named Alfred. Yeah. Okay, we have a game called Chicken Blaster. And then we got another game called Chicken Blaster. Then we got this other game that's called Chicken Hot Grill that has a similar looking chicken. Then it's also called Redneck Kentucky. But then on Wii it's called Chicken Riot. But there's already a game called Chicken Riot. And then the words Chicken Riot and Redneck share the same font. There's Chicken Rabbit Hole. Chicken Hole.
Meanwhile, in the multiverse,
I will find you, Jake. I know you are here. Somewhere in this vast multiverse. I will find you. And I will destroy you.
Meanwhile,
Next up we got... Yeah, we're gonna play this. Climb behind the trigger and help our distressed farmer friend obliterate hordes of no-good cluckers. That sounds awesome! But first, I have to make a big gamer decision. Which Wii do I play it on? Yes, the Wii with the random memory card in it. Nice. Jeez, what the hell, bro? Keep it PG. This is your very typical Wii chicken shooter game. And that's pretty much it. It has an interesting enough art style going for it, but nothing really special. It's just average. Next up, we got Chicken Riot. Wow, that is a very long loading screen. Oh, okay, here we go. I swear, if this is just the same game as the last one.
Get ready. Max points bonus.
Yes, it sure is. Okay, those games were kind of bad, but there has to be at least one good chicken game out there, right? At least on the Wii. I can't believe it's come to this. Chicken Blaster. Yeah. Is that chicken just disappearing and reappearing out of existence? Oh my! Oh wow, this is... Wow, okay. This is just absolute chaos. Literally all three of those games were the same.
Meanwhile,
We have a new ally. His name is Drake, and with him we can finally rule the multiverse. But in order to do so, we must find a person by the name of Jake. What's up, guys? Quandile Dingle here.
You're going down the Giga way.
Oh, I'm here too. Not like anyone cares.
meanwhile,
We need to talk about Crazy Chicken. Comic Gamer, take it away.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Comic Gamer.
From 1 year ago.
I wanted to talk about this game called Crazy Chicken. Went in deep into research, and I found out that, they don't look that great, and they release some of them every year. And it says right here that this is the best known chicken in the world. I couldn't really find anything about the world's most famous chicken. I could only find chicken recipes. So yeah, that's probably wrong, right? So as you can see here, the games are actually called Moorhun, which is a German casual game franchise. But doing a casual Google Translate search, I learned that Moorhun actually means grouse. So, I mean, it's sorta right. Grouse are small birds, right? Wrong, they're not the same thing as chickens. Oh, wow! Look at these long lists of names. Wow, these are all the games they have? How come I've never heard of these masterpieces till today? Probably because they don't look that good. And yeah, they probably don't even put that much effort into it. So let's look at the trailer of one of the games and see if it looks any good, okay?
Bruh.
Why would you do this? This is from 2000. Much better looking games came out then. And some of the other games are called Chicken Kart or Moorhun Kart.
Bruh.
I mean, every company makes a Mario Kart ripoff at some point, right? So anyways, thank you for listening to me yell about chicken game.
This has to be probably the worst game to ever exist. I mean, shovelware for PS5? That's just crazy to think about. But it exists, and this is proof of that. It's just quite an abomination. It's pretty down bad. Next up, we got Mort the Chicken.
I'm Chicken Little.
And I'm Henny Penny.
Once again presenting the controversial videotape received earlier today.
From a mysterious dimension parallel to the Earth.
Wow, they legit just stole the plot of this video.
Greetings to all round, fuzzy, squishy things.
Hey yo, what?
I am Colonel Cubicles, leader of the Bullion.
Okay, and?
We are speaking to you now.
Yeah, that's great.
Free the tubes.
Yeah, not gonna happen. Sorry, bud. Okay, let's actually play the game.
Wait a minute, that's not the script.
Oh my, I regret deleting that cube. I really do. So this is Mort. Interesting. Aw, that's a cute user interface. The way Mort moves in this game, it's like he's drunk or something, and then he has this sticky hand on his head. Yeah, you remember those things? This game is pretty much your average platformer collectathon. Not really much to say about it. What's more interesting than this game, though, is the fact that he made it into Pizza Tower. That's very strange, but very cool at the same time. The game itself is pretty reminiscent of the Wario Land games, but we're getting off track here, so more chicken games. Based off one of the greatest chicken movies ever made. Oops, that's a turkey.
Like to see the movie they make about you now.
I just hope they stay true to what really happened.
Oh, son, these people are from Hollywood. The one thing they will never do is mess with a good story.
Red alert! Man your battle stations!
Ace!
Abby.
Ace!
Yo, what up, everybody? Welcome, dude! We're playing some Chicken Little! Ace in action on the Wii! Holy smokes!
This is easily the best commentary I have ever heard. Gotta share it with my Discord. It has been done. For a game based off one scene from a animated movie from the early 2000s, this game rocks. They put a lot of effort and love into this thing, I can tell. Like, they even made up their own lore for this game. That's crazy.
Dank laboratories.
I have to go off my gut instincts, and my gizzard is telling me to go alphabetically.
Not gonna lie, some of these cutscenes look better than the movie.
They're really good at animation in this universe, but the universe itself is not animated well.
Yeah, they somehow made their CG look better than real life.
They really gave it their all for what little they had from that one scene.
I'll destroy the Earth with the moon!
At JT's Chrysler Jeep Dobbs in Lexington, I'm going to give you the moon!
The other Chicken Little the video game. It's a pretty basic platformer. It's like the other game minus the guns and stuff, but you know, it is what it is. It does have this really cool jetpack minigame. Yeah, I don't recommend this one. Especially when Ace already exists. That game's straight up fire. We have one last game based off a chicken movie. Well, here goes nothing. Chicken Run for the PlayStation 1. This game is basically Metal Gear with chickens, and it's based off a movie called Chicken Run. You know how it is. It got stealth missions, it got running around big open spaces. Yeah, it's your typical Metal Gear, but with a chicken. The movie itself is pretty good. You can't go wrong with an Aardman animation. Unless it's flushed away, oh god. That is legit just Wallace with animal ears and a nose.
Meanwhile,
I must warn Jake.
And then there was this other chicken game, and then there was this chicken shooter game, and then you again.
Jake, I need you. Drake is back to no good.
That Drake! I knew he was sus.
There is also a multi-dimensional bird.
Okay then. Is that the bird?
Yes, indeed it is.
Okay.
It is dead now.
Hello there. I am Quandile Dingle. It looks like you have seen one of my biggest birds. The chicken grows stronger, more powerful with each universe it destroys.
What chicken?
Do you not remember? I even saw you. Wait, that was another you. I keep forgetting about the whole multiverse gimmick. I of all people should remember more due to me wanting to rule over it.
Also, I lied about not knowing the chicken. I defeated it.
Liar, I did.
It isn't going to be that easy to defeat me. I have powers beyond anything you can imagine.
Oh yeah? You're powerful? Prove it.
What's up guys, it's Quandile Dingle here.
Why would you do this? I thought we were an alliance.
You were too goofy.
Hello there, Jake. We've met before. All I want is your universe. That's all. If you'd be so kind as to give it to me. What happens if I don't give you my universe? Let's just say I wouldn't be this reasonable. Well, I'm not gonna let you have this universe. So, you're gonna have to go through me. Jake, you know I'm not evil.
Mm-hmm.
Like you said, I'm just a bit sus. Well, ever since I got a taste of the power that is the symbiote that you possess, I wanted more. And I didn't stop at just Earth. I went across the cosmos.
to the multiverse.
Okay, and? Ooh. Damn it! Works every time. I don't know why.
Best we get going.
Don't you just love it when everything blows up in the end?
Thanks for the help. I will let you know if I need you again. But until then you stay ultimate, Jake.
Okie dokie. What a strange day. I talked about a few chicken games, and then I get attacked by a chicken, and then I basically kill my alternate universe self. Yeah. Quite a strange day, if I say so myself. But did I really kill him? I don't know. I remember watching Ant-Man Quantumania. Maybe I should be a little concerned. Maybe there might be a Drake Council. Maybe he wants revenge. Maybe... You know, I'm gonna stop thinking about it. And don't you forget, guys, stay ultimate stick-o-medians.
I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird.
Meanwhile, outside the multiverse.
I always get defeated by Jake. Come at me, Jake. You see these guns? You see these guns? Yes, sir.
Now it is our time. You, my clones, we must destroy all that stands in our way. But sir, how would we achieve such a task? By doing it, of course.
We shall now build our new empire.
Works every time. I don't know why.
When Jake sent me outside of time and space, here, I gained a new power, and that is to clone myself. Unfortunately, now I'm stuck with all of you. You are the worst clones I have ever seen.
Welcome to the Drake Council.
What the hell is going on?
Bruh.